Hi everyone, today I thought I would show you what Stitch Fix has to offer in terms of their maternity wear. I wanted to add more fall and winter appropriate maternity clothes to my wardrobe that would also look cute postpartum. Being 9 months pregnant at the time, I received this box that was particularly important to me. If you are unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, here is a quick rundown. Create your style profile on your online account to better help your stylist pick out pieces that you will love, then schedule your desired delivery date, and then a box of 5 items will be delivered right to your door. You see, when you open your box, the 5 items are pictured with 2 outfit inspirations alongside a personal note from your stylist. The next page lists each item with their color, size, and price. There is a 25% discount if you purchase all 5, but there will always be a $20 credit towards any purchase. Now for the exciting part, trying on each item. For this particular fix, I imagined how I would actually wear them if I were to purchase them and pair them with items from my existing wardrobe. First up is this purple maternity sweatshirt by Ink, Love, and Peace. This piece is pretty much a standard pullover hoodie with a kangaroo pocket. The sweatshirt fits very snug around my belly and waist, leaving adequate room for my hands to fit in the pocket. The hoodie part was also a perfect fit around my head, leaving me no worries that it will block my view or feel too tight. With this sweatshirt, I had in mind an outdoorsy day, so comfort was key and it definitely delivered. Pair it with jeans and sneakers to keep it looking fashionably casual and comfy, and in this case appropriate for a day at the zoo with the family. I can also imagine myself wearing this way past pregnancy, so the final verdict on this item is a keep. Up next, we have this black sweater by Lety and Me. It is a maternity sweater pullover with Grommet details right below the shoulders and extends just below the belly for a slightly loose fit. However, it wasn't so loose that I felt lost in the clothing. I was pretty much sold on that detailing below the shoulders. It added a bit of sophistication to an otherwise simple outfit. I also love the ribbing along the sides, creating a slimming feel to the entire look. With this sweater, I had in mind a day of work where I didn't want to hide my outfit of the day with a jacket. This sweater is definitely warm enough without one. So the final verdict, it's a keeper. Third item is this cardigan from Pink. It is mostly burgundy with white horizontal stripes located towards the bottom. It has deep pockets in the front and the length reaches right at the knees. At first I thought I wouldn't like the cardigan since it is the type of outerwear I stray away from. However, once trying it on, I realized how comfy it felt and how nice it would be just to throw on whenever I need to make a quick trip outside the house or to add another layer of clothing inside the house without the hassle of wearing pullovers or hoodies. So this type of outerwear would be especially convenient when breastfeeding. I pair this cardigan with my standard lazy weekend outfit of mostly athletic wear and headed out to the local park with my daughter. This Stitch Fix is on a roll. This is another keeper. Fourth item we have is this Cowlneck knit dress by Michael Stars. It is light gray with a snug fit extending to the mid-thigh. The cowl neck was a bit hard to style in a way that looked put together. I thought it was a hint too small and wished it could have extended closer to my shoulders. I did love the feeling of the dress and it showcased the bump nicely and would have been a cute piece postpartum. But with my issues with the cowl neck and the fact that it was super expensive at $138 made this knit dress not worth it in the end. So it went to the reject pile. Last piece is this pair of fleece leggings by MTLA in the color olive. The olive color is very appropriate for the fall and winter months, and the thickness of the fabric provided just enough protection from the cold. I describe my style as mostly athleisure, so I was delighted to see these comfy leggings included in my fix, and especially in a color that I do not have. The leggings were a size up from what I usually wear, so it did not feel tight around my belly, but were not too big that it felt loose around my legs, making it a good fit for postpartum. I am in leggings more often than jeans, so these fleece ones would be my go-to this season for running errands and being on the go. So that makes this entire fix a 4 out of 5, which is a first for me, and my average is usually keeping about 1 or 2 items. The item I did not keep, which is that knit dress, was sent out in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag and dropped off at the local USPS mailbox. All information on Stitch Fix and pricings on each clothing item will be described in more detail in the description box. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful in deciding what options are out there for cute maternity wear. I personally like trying out clothing in the comfort of my own home with my existing wardrobe. I feel like I'm able to make a more informed decision about the clothing I want to purchase, and Stitch Fix allows me to do that. Before you leave, let me know what your favorite outfit was, and thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.